What's up, guys? Welcome back to another live stream. And today we're gonna be doing some more SAT prep, and we're gonna finish DSAT 1, and then hopefully I'm gonna do an actual full test. Cause the problem is, because I, stopped and started this test, it doesn't count. I need to do one fully in one sitting, so that way it counts. And I've been dragging this since July 6th, so. So we need to find the volume of this sphere. So 4/3 pi 6.8 squared. Wait, no, not 6.8. 1.4 squared. And then times 6.8, 55. It's not an answer choice. 4/3 pi r squared. Why isn't this working here? Should work. So it's r. Wait, no, that's a diameter. 1.4 is the diameter. So we actually need to divide that by 2. Then what? Yeah, I'm not seeing what the issue is here. Why isn't it working here? Oh, per cubic meter. Yeah, per cubic meter. So this is 1.4 meters. So this is in cubic meters, right here. Wait, is that a square or a third? It's probably a third, isn't it? Let's see. Yeah, it's a third. Okay. Okay, so it's 10 then. Okay. Line A is parallel to line B. What's the measure of x degrees? So that's 95. That means that's something. So if this is 150, so this is 95 right here. 95 plus 180 minus 150 is 30. So it's 90 plus 30. So that. So 55 degrees. Yeah. Right. A race car loops around a racetrack twice while traveling at a speed of 153. It's in a circle and a radius. So, see, a race car loops around a racetrack twice. So the track is in a circle, so it goes twice. So it goes around twice, so it goes 90 miles. So it goes 90 miles at 153 miles per hour. It's definitely not going to be this long. So we're going 90 miles at 153 miles an hour. 90 miles over 153.7 is 0.58. Oh wait, the radius is 45. Oh yeah, let me find out this. So, circumference 2 pi r. 2 pi times 45 times 2. So it's that, and then we take this and we divide all this by 153.7, so we get 3.6767. So a circle has a diameter with the endpoints 3, 5n, and 3, 15. It's going to be -3. I'm pretty sure it's -3 here. But let's just confirm here. Squared equals 25. So endpoints. Okay, wait, n is 1. Because it's just 5. So it's got to be 1. So yeah, Desmos just gives us the solution that's closest to to 0, which is 3. But sometimes you got to do it like this because there's 2 solutions. So okay, that's definitely not the same. It's probably gonna be 4, isn't it? No. 46. Okay. Yeah, it's 40 minus. None of these look right here. There are infinitely many solutions. There are infinitely many solutions. How can we solve this here? So these two have to be the same, so maybe it's this one. That would be the slope then. Okay, wait. Yeah, make them both equal 0. So minus 12 is that 2x1 plus 2y1 minus 36. Okay, minus n. What? That's the same thing. So what do I do then? Fractionated? No, that's not an answer choice. Okay. Let's just skip it and come back to it. Um, 60 times 0.25, 15. So we need to make it so that so in the bag we need 30% red marbles. It's 18. Wait, no. Right now it's 75%. If we want to make it 40%, it's 15. 24 minus 15. So 9. So we need to put in 9 red marbles. Yeah, there we go. In triangle MNO, cos of m equals 75, 7 over 25. Angle M. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Should equal the same thing. Let me see if I can draw this out here. So like if we have this triangle M N O, right? And then this is 90. This is the hypotenuse. So that means this is O. So cos of this, so ca. So the opposite of this is the same as the adjacent of this. So it should equal the same thing. So we're gonna go with that right there. Then let's revisit this one right here. So we just gotta make these equal each other. So that moves it up and down. Okay. So infinitely many solutions. They gotta have the same slope. That's the thing. Alright, let's try grokking it. Just to see how they do it. Oh yeah, A over 1, B over 1, C over 1. Okay, so not even this thing can get it, I think. Let me try screenshotting this just for it right here. See if we can do it this way. There's no non-answer choice, so how am I supposed to do this, guys? Now, obviously, you can't grok stuff on the actual SAT, but you know, this is a learning process. We gotta learn. So, D. Oh, the closest, but it's incorrect. What? Well, I guess we're going with D here, but I don't know. Hopefully, it teaches us at the end. Alright guys, that's it for that section. So let's go ahead and move on to the next section right here. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and move on to the next section right here. Check out my live stream right here. Looks nice. Guys, how do I get subtitles on my live streams? I would like that. I mean, it renders it out afterward, but if it would have it during the live stream, that'd be great. Anyway, let's go on to the next section. Okay, in the triangle ABC, AB equals AC, if that's 72. So A is 72. What's the measure of B in degrees? A of B equals A of C. So this is the isosceles. So A is 72. Okay, so A must be the top one. A is 72, B is 72. Okay, so 72 plus 2B is 180. So B is 54. Yeah. Plus 54 plus 90. Okay. It's 180, yeah. Yeah. So then we go plus 90, and then we do 72 over 2. Yes. Alright, good. Because you can make an isosceles into two right triangles. What is one of the solutions? So 2x1 squared plus 24x1 plus 40 is 0. One of the solutions is negative 2. This is the one that's closest to 0, that's why it's telling us it here. But, yeah. 162 is p% greater. That's p. See what's going on here. Oh wait, I did this wrong. 27 times p, 6, so it's 600%. So 27 times 600%, wait, 600% of 27 is 162. Alright, good. Okay. Alright guys, I gotta go. I'm gonna resume the stream.